Sounds good. Thank you, Bree. Welcome to Dry Fork Repair here in Webb City. I'm Drew, the manager here. Let's show you around. We've got 5 bays here: automotive repair, diesel repair. We work on Honda, Toyotas, Nissan. We also work on all American makes. We take care of diesel repair, even the EcoDiesels. We don't want you paying for the same repair twice. We're using good parts, standing behind it with our parts and labor warranty. This is our technician area. We'll take you on up front and we'll show you the customer waiting area up front here. And this is our front waiting area. You'll walk on in, we'll see you through the window and come up front and greet you up here at the desk. Take care of you from there, gather all the information we need and get you going.
I'm Haley Green, and I found out about Dry Fork on Google when I was looking for a place to have my tires aligned. I had a great experience. I would rate it 5 stars, fast, efficient.
My name's John Ginther. I brought in a 2015 Ram 2500 for an oil change today. The people are very friendly. They let you know what's going on. They're always happy to help and explain things.
My name's Adam Sylvie. I just recently moved here. I had an issue with my Kia Sorento. The guys here did a really good job finding the parts I needed, quoted me a couple different prices with some options. It drives perfectly. I haven't had any issues since. Now I found somebody that I trust here, like I did back home. These guys will work with you, find you the best deal, get you back on the road as soon as possible. I'm really grateful I found Dry Fork.
We've been here at Webb City for over 1.5 years now. Our other location has been running over 12 years now, up north of Carthage, right off the highway. We're here on the south side of the airport. We're in between Culver's and the Stones Corner Roundabout on the south side of the road. We work on automotive all the way up to light diesel repair. Swing on down, we can take care of you. This is our bread and butter, doing automotive repair, keeping our customers on the road and going strong.